Hello there. Okay, in this video we want to take on the next little part of our top box up here where we're trying to welcome students and trying to introduce the course. So what we want to do is our next little bit which goes in here, and it's our little title for the course and one or two sentence blurb on what the course is about, and then our video that's going to go on the right hand side here. So we're going to break this process into two different videos. One is just looking at how to set up the label, put the text in it. The second one's going to be how to actually do the video, which is kind of just a thing in itself. So, alright, so let's have a look. Okay, what we're going to use is this thing here, add a resource. We're going to go to this drop box here and click on it. And there's a few things we can choose, but what we're going to choose is this insert a label. And a label is what you choose when you want to write something or put an image in, have a little blurb, you can stick hyperlinks and all kinds of things. So when you click on that, you get this little editing box. Okay, it's got font types and sizes, it's got all usual boldings and italics and stuff, undos and justifiers and numberings and bullet points and indents and colours, and these are for hyperlinks, images, tables, smiley faces, all kinds of things. This one we're going to look a bit later on. This is HTML code, but we're not going to have a look at that yet. A little bit later on. That's something for our video. So basically what you do here is you type in stuff. So welcome to Slop again. Oops. This is a space for sock instructions to practice their Moodle skills. Okay. But you can do all your editing here. So what I want to do is I want to make this bigger, 14, and bold it, and I want to make this writing 12 points, all that kind of stuff. So pretty simple editing box. You've probably used those in different things before, no brain there. And then when you come back to your page, you see welcome to Slop. This is a space for something there. So great, all that works and all that makes sense, and that looks fine. We could do that and get away with that, but we're going to try and just be a little bit cleverer and make it look a little bit more nicer and include the video as well. So let's go back into our edit thing. So we go below it to below where the label's there. We press that edit button, and what I'll do is I'll just I'll cut that and just get it out of the way for the moment. Now what I'm going to do to be able to kind of get my two things side by side, my text and my video, is I'm going to do this thing here, insert a table. Okay, so I've clicked the insert a table button, and this is what's come up, this inserted table box. So what I want is a box with just kind of one row in it, so row is what goes that way, and two columns, and that's the ones that go down this way. So I want to go 100% across the page of the Moodle page. Alignment is not set, so where do you want it? Do you want it to go start from the left or the right? I like to put one from the middle, so I can start some middle branches out. Border thickness is, how thick do you want your line to go around the table? Well, I don't want any line around my table, so I'm going to change that from 1 to 0. And when I click on OK, what you see now is this dotted line table thing. It's got two boxes in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my writing here on the left, so I'm going to basically just paste that in there, so you can see how that's turned up in there. I'm going to turn that into like a little bit of a middle looking thing, not just justified. So that will be like that. So there's my writing bit. Welcome to Slop. This is a space for sock lectures to practice their Moodle skills. I've got that all there. And then over here I've got this space I'm going to keep later on for the video that I'm going to make, my little welcome YouTube video, which I'm going to make. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next video. So I press save and return to course. And once it sorts itself out, you can see that I've got my writing here all ready to go on the left hand side, and my space ready to go for my video. So that's how we set up that little bit. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube video. You won't see my little face because I need the camera to be able to make YouTube video. Some should be very disappointed with that. But yeah, so we're going to do that. We'll add them all together and we'll get that little part of the top page looking very nice indeed. Alright, okay, I'll see you in the next video. Well, actually, as I said, you'll see me. Bye.